Volcanoes means, next topic is volcano. Volcano is a crack or vent on the earth crust through which molten lava comes out and solidify on its surface. When the Actually it happens when the interior of earth become extremely hot due to temperature and pressure inside the earth crust become completely hot and the molten rocks along with smoke and ash are thrown out through this crust. Okay, so when this smoke and ash and the molten lava comes out from this crust, this is called volcanic eruption. The red hot molten rock material is called lava. A liquid form of molten rock comes out from that is hot rock that comes out from the mouth of volcano is called lava. The mouth of volcano is called crater. The lava flows down a volcano and burns everything that comes in its way. The lava is so hot that whatever comes in its way, it makes it burn. Some precautionary measures to be used: wear filter masks to protect your nose and mouth, and goggles to protect your eyes from ash. As soon as a volcano erupts, there all over there is lava and this ash smoke. Thousands of kilometers is covered with ash. Okay, so to protect ourselves from this ash or smoke, one should cover its face with mask and nose and mouth and eyes with goggles. Keep a stock of canned food and bottled water with you. Close all doors and windows of the house and cover all the electrical appliances to protect them from the harmful ash. So, next topic is consequences of natural calamities. Natural calamities actually is a disaster being caused by the nature. In this, one cannot control this all the activities. These are natural activities. So thousands of people and animals are killed. There is large scale destruction and damage to crops, houses, roads, dams, etc. There is disruption of essential services like transport, communication. All the services like electricity, water supply, communication, transport got disrupted because of natural calamities. Similarly, epidemics like plague, malaria, cholera, etc. often break out after natural disaster. So many people are killed, okay, due to this disaster, and it will cause so many kind of epidemics. बहुत सारी बीमारियां इससे हो जाती हैं और ये हमेशा ये नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर के तुरंत बाद ये एपिडेमिक्स कॉज हो जाते हैं. रोल ऑफ पीपल एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Role of people: firstly, we must be ready to face any emergency. We should follow the following steps during emergency. Like we are facing right now, we are also facing the emergency of COVID-19, and you are maintaining some sort of, your role is so important. That's why our government is asking us to don't get panic, don't spread rumors, spread information that can be valuable as fast as possible. Listen to news, follow the warnings and take safety measures in advance. Help victims of the calamities. You should try to help the victims who are the sufferers of particular calamity. Stop degradation of the environment. Stop polluting the environment. Anyhow, we all are polluting the environment. Air, water. This kind of pollution should be stopped. Along with the role of people, some voluntary organizations are also existing. They used to help the government, like many NGOs means non-governmental organizations, provide aid and support to affected people. Some organizations are UNICEF. The full form is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. WIDE, Volunteers for India Development and Empowerment. CRY, Child Rights and You. WHO, जब भी कोई हेल्थ से रिलेटेड इशू होते हैं, कोई एपिडेमिक आता है, तो WHO सबसे पहले एग्जिस्टेंस में आ जाता है. दैट द फुल फॉर्म इज वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑक्सफैम, ऑक्सफोर्ड कमिटी फॉर फैमिन रिलीफ. UNDMT, यूनाइटेड नेशंस डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट टीम. Likewise, many institutions and charitable groups help the affected people. Doctors work from mobile clinic. Air Force supplies water, food, clothes. The army people used to rescue peoples and clean roads at the time of landslide and all this. Roads should be clear so that the relief should reach to the affected area very quickly. Business, house, school, etc. used to collect money, medicine and clothes for the affected people. The news media such as radio, television and newspaper ensure adequate coverage of the disaster so that it becomes easy to help the affected people.